This is your reading for today. Your cards are Eight of Pentacles and Two of Wands. You are going to be traveling somewhere, and you might be wondering, should I or should I not take the travel? The suggestion or the guidance is that take the travel. When you take the travel, it will take you to some kind of a place where you will actually understand what is true balance in a situation or a relationship. What does it look like? It's not just that you will understand, you will see what that true balance looks like, what equal give and take looks like, and where that kind of a road leads to. Now, why you need to understand is that for a very long time you have been living in a golden gilded cage, and you have believed that the nuts and the fruits and the raisins, the grains that you are being fed, is the last word in a comfortable life. And that angle of the sky that is visible to you from that cage, that is what the sky is. But when you take this trip, you will suddenly understand that the sky is much vaster and you never knew about it. And it will be as if you are waking up from a deep sleep and you are finally stretching your hands and you are twisting your body. And when you twist your body, there is a new angle of the sky that is visible to you, which was not visible to you earlier. Now, this is going to feel difficult because, see, you are not used to that expanse of the sky, so it is scary. Like, oh my god, I'm late, I'm left behind, I don't know what to do. So, what to do? And how should you do it? And how will you know the next step? What to do is that one step, one actual real step, not something in your head, but one actual real concrete actionable step, even if it is very small, even if it is something like planning or it is something like taking one small action. You have to keep doing that every day with dedication, with commitment, without caring about what people are saying, thinking, telling. That one step which is absolutely clear to you. This is the one step that you can now see because the sky is wider now. And this is the one step that will take you ahead, and you need to keep walking on this step that will take you ahead to a very, very beautiful choice and a balance in your life. And that choice is kind of a, it's like, so you're walking and there is a choice, and you've got this feeling that this choice will take me to what is meant for me, or something that I've been waiting for a long time. But now I'm feeling balanced enough to say yes to this. So if you take that one small step and stick to it every day, it will take you to that choice. And that choice is like the beginning of something very beautiful for